What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hey, my name is vianney.strick. Thank you for being here. So today is a really exciting video because we're doing a Valentine's Day look, but as you guys can see, it's a very bold, more sexy, smoky Valentine's Day look. I feel like there aren't that many around on the YouTube right now. Everything's like super girly and pink and soft, and that's cute too, but I'm trying to give you another option. I'm trying to give you a little sexy option. So this is what we came up with, and something very exciting, guys. In this video, I have a really amazing giveaway because I want to give back to you guys, especially on Valentine's Day. So just stick around till the end of the video to find out what the giveaway is and how to enter. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the giveaway. But if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe to my channel to become part of my squad, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload and you don't miss out on any of my videos. Anyways, guys, if you want to see how I did this smoky look and you want to win a prize, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so first I'm going to start off with putting on my cute little headband. Obviously it goes with Valentine's Day, so I'm loving it. Then I'm going to quickly prime my eyes with the Ulta concealer, and I'm just going to start with the shade Flamingo. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm just going to put Flamingo all over my crease. We're going to do a smoky eye, so I'm kind of just putting down a base. Then you're probably wondering what I'm going to do with this NYX contour stick, but I'm actually using it as a base for my lid shade. I just want to make sure that the brown that I'm putting on there goes on really dark. And I'm just going to blend that out with my finger, make it nice and smooth. I'm then going to go in with the shade Cocoa, and I'm just going to put that on my lid, but I'm going to keep it a little bit low because I don't want it to get too dark on top. I do want to do like an ombre effect. And it's going to look a little crazy, but I promise it's going to look a lot better. Now I'm going with the shade Man Eater, and this is a shade that I want in the middle. So I'm pretty much just going back and forth using the brown shade, then the red shade, and then blending it out with the Flamingo shade. And you just want to do that until you get the intensity that you want. Remember, just keep blending. It does get a little messy, but if you just keep blending, it'll look really, really nice. And lastly, I'm just using the shade Bay, and I'm putting that under my brow bone just to highlight. For lashes, I'll be using these Delarza lashes. I'm using the one in the bottom row, and I love them. So for primer, I'm using my YSL Touche Claw, and this is just like a really nice blurring primer, and I'm just gonna rub that out with my hands. Foundation, I'm using the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation, and as I was dotting it on my face, my camera started doing some weird like earthquake type deal, and then I noticed, and I don't know what happened there, so let's just avoid that. And I'm gonna blend that out with my L'Oreal sponge. You guys know I love this sponge, and I love this foundation as well. Super full coverage and looks so beautiful. I'm going to color correct with this LA Girl Pro Concealer Corrector. Going in with this Ulta concealer in the shade Light Warm. I'm going to highlight under my eyes, on my nose, and on my forehead. And of course, like always, it'll be listed down below, everything with the names and the shades. And now I'm just doing my little clown dance, and I'm going to blend that out with my L'Oreal sponge. Now I'm just going to set my under eyes with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm using that little yellow shade. And I'm just going to set everywhere that I concealed and highlight. And then I'm going to go back into that, and I'm going to use the first two contour shades, and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my temples, and my forehead. For bronzer, I'm using one of my favorites, the NYX Matte Bronzer, and I'm just going to use a fluffy brush. This is from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to bronze it up. So I am taking that dark shade, Cocoa, and I'm going to put it on my waterline, and I'm using the very defining brush for that. And then I'm going to go back into the Flamingo and Man Eater shade, and I'm just going to smoke it out just so it matches the top. And here I'm just putting some mascara on my lower lashes just to finish out the eye look. For blush, I'm using this little Tarte blush. It's like a very nude pinky blush and looked really pretty with the look. I was feeling it. You could say I was feeling it. And for highlight, I'm going to be using this liquid highlighter from Delarza Cosmetics. It is in the shade Lost Soul. And I'm first dotting it on the cheekbones and on the nose. I did notice that it dried down a little bit too fast for me. So what I suggest is for you to do a cheekbone, blend it out, then do the other cheekbone, etc. But it did blend out just fine and it was a really, really beautiful glow. Then I'm using this Fenty Beauty Duo highlighter and I'm using like the more shiny one. And yeah, I just kind of packed it on my cheeks and all over my face, and that Delarza highlighter just made it pop 10 times more. And then I'm just using that same highlighter just to, you know, give a little highlight to my inner corner. I'm using this NYX lip liner and it's just like a nude shade, and I'm just gonna line my lips and fill them in just a little bit. And then I'll be using this Delarza Cosmetics liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Salted Caramel, and I'm gonna put that all over my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with this Delarza Cosmetics, again, liquid lipstick, and this in the shade Cocoa Bean. And I just wanna kind of blend it all together so I make like my perfect mauve-y nude color, and it ended up looking so pretty. To set my face, I had to use a pink setting spray. So this is the Slay All Day by Delarza Cosmetics. Alright guys, and this is the final result. I actually ended up loving it so much. I'm still gonna do like another Valentine's Day look that's more, maybe like more girly, more soft, but I definitely wanted to do something more bold because I feel like there isn't enough bold Valentine's Day, and I know a lot of you guys aren't super girly or soft, so I wanted to give you guys another option to play with some color and be smoky and sexy and just, you know. I know that you guys are waiting for like the most exciting part of the video. Before we get to that, I just want to ask you guys a very serious question. Will you be my Valentine? Guys, will you be my Valentine? This is why I'm doing this giveaway, because you're all my Valentines, and I have teamed up with one of my favorite companies that I know you guys see me use a lot, and it is Delarza Cosmetics. I purposely used the products that you're gonna win in this giveaway in this video so you guys could see them in action. So I'm gonna put a picture right here of what you're gonna win. It's a lot of different things, and it's a lot of products that are just amazing. So you're gonna win all of the liquid lipsticks. There's 5 different shades, and I love them. They are liquid to matte. Then you're gonna get 2 of the liquid highlighters, and honestly, you only need 1 because you really only need to use like a little bit to get that glow. And you get 2 of these, and then you also get 2 of their lash boxes. It comes with 5 lashes in each box, so that means you get 10 pair of lashes, 5 liquid lipsticks, and 2 liquid highlighters. And all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel, which I know you already are, and then go follow Delarza Cosmetics on their Instagram. And then when you're done, just comment down below in this video and say done, or say whatever you want. Just let me know that you already did it, and leave me your Instagram handle so that way I know where to find you whenever I pick a winner. I will leave everything down below just in case you forget. There's only 3 steps. It's very simple, and I'm so excited to be working with Delarza Cosmetics because this way I can just show you guys these products that I love, that I talk about. And then again, if you don't win, it's okay. I'm always gonna have more giveaways. But if you're still interested in Delarza Cosmetics, you guys know you can always use my code VS10 for 10% off your entire purchase if you're interested. So I will announce the winner on the 15th. That way, if you have plans on Valentine's Day, if you do, or if you have plans with yourself with Netflix, you have all day to enter. So at midnight, that's when I will cut it off and pick a winner. So I'm really excited, guys. I hope that you're excited for this giveaway because I am. Anyways, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like this more bold look for Valentine's Day, and I hope you're having an awesome day or night wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh my god. And I hope you're having a great day or night, wherever you are. That sounds like a song. If you want a menage, I gotta try.